Welcome to Revive Flow, a home for mindful moments and gentle breathing. This is your time to rest now. The day is complete. Nothing else is needed from you. Allow your body to settle exactly as it is. There is no perfect position, only comfort. Notice your breath moving quietly in the background, in and out, steady and easy. With each exhale, feel yourself sinking a little deeper, as if the surface beneath you is gently welcoming you in. Your shoulders no longer need to hold anything. Let them soften. Let them rest. Your jaw relaxes. Your tongue rests easily. Your face smooths. Thoughts may still appear, and that's okay. You don't need to follow them. They can drift away on their own. Bring attention to your legs and feet. Feel them become heavy, warm, completely at ease. Your breathing continues, slow and familiar, each breath gently guiding you toward sleep. Let your chest and belly rise and fall naturally. Nothing to control, nothing to protect. A sense of quiet spreads through your body, like a blanket of calm settling in place. Sleep does not need to be invited. It arrives naturally when you stop trying. Allow yourself to fade gently into rest. Nothing to do, nowhere to go. Thank you for choosing to slow down. Thank you for being here with Revive Flow. May your sleep be deep, steady, and kind.